Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. So, what we have done yesterday? Yes, I have taught you one new poem. What is that? I can be a Paul. Do you remember? So, what does this mean by Paul? P-A-L, Paul. Paul is a friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. So everybody has their own friends. You're also having your own friends in your class, right? So like that, every human being is having their own friends. So what does this poem teach us about? Yes, this poem is teach you about making friends and how the real friends actually are. This poem also teaches about the valuable lesson about the friendship. What? About the friendship. And this poem also teaches us about how to be a good friend in all the conditions and situations. So you too have your friends, right? You know what are the good and bad qualities of your friend? You know everything about your friend, but you want to be the friend with only the good qualities. Okay? Which type of friend do you want? Only a good qualities. A friend who share everything with you, or the absolute friend of yours. So tell me now, are you a good friend? Do you also share the things with your friend? Yes, everybody share their things with the friends. So now we have completed 4 lines, first 4 lines of the poem. Yesterday we have completed. Okay, once again I am going to read it. What is the first line? I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal by smiling at you. What is the first line tells about? I can be your friend by smiling at you. In this line, the poet says, if any child feels lonely or any child feel that they don't have any friends or feeling sad, any child is in problem, that I can be friend with them. I can be a good friend with them by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. What is the second line? I can be a pal when you feel blue. What is the feel blue? What does this mean? Feel blue means feel sad. So, I am your friend when you feel sad. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be your friend when you don't tell any lies and when you share the things with me and you are also kind. I can be your friend who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you are in a bind. I can also be your friend when you are in a bind. In a bind means in a difficult situation, means if anybody of our friend having any problem. Yes, so you have to be with that friend. So the poet is telling, I can be your friend when you are in a bad situation or in a difficult situation. Next, see the fifth line. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. Once again read it. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. So in friends you will say please and thank you. Yes, I can be your friend. How? By saying please and thank you. I can be a pal when no one wants to. Once again read this line, children. I can be a pal when no one wants to. What does this line mean? If nobody wants to become friend, I want to become your friend. I can be a pal when no one wants to. If anybody don't want to do friendship with you, I can be there for you to do the friendship. I can be a Paul every single day. Every single day, I just want to be your friend. I can be a Paul. What do you say? Like this, the poet is asking. I just want to be a friend. What do you say? Yes, once again we'll read the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th lines. I can be a Paul by saying please and thank you. The poet wants to be the friend by saying please and thank you. And also the poet wants to be a friend when no one wants to. And he also wants to be a friend every single day. Just tell me, I can be a Paul. What do you say? He is waiting for the reply. Once again, from the first line, read with me, children. I can be a Paul by smiling at you. I can be a Paul when you feel blue. Once again, 2 lines. I can be a Paul by smiling at you. I can be a Paul when you feel blue. I can be a Paul who is honest and kind. I can be a Paul when you are in a bind. Once again read this second, third and fourth line. I can be a Paul who is honest and kind. I can be a Paul when you are in a bind. 5th line. I can be a Paul by saying please and thank you. PLEASE please and THANKYOU thank you. I just want to become a friend by saying please and thank you. I can be a Paul when no one wants to. When no one wants to. When nobody wants to do a friendship with you, I just want to be a friend with you. If nobody there for you, I will be there for you. Like this the poet is telling. I can be a Paul every single day. I can be a Paul. What do you say? So these are the 8 lines. Okay children, you have to read this tomorrow. Next, see to the meanings. PAL, Paul means a friend. FRIEND, friend. Feel blue. What is the meaning of feel blue? Feel sad. FEEL, feel. SAD, sad. Next, in a bind. In a bind means in a difficult situation. In a difficult situation. DIFFICULT, cult, difficult. SITUATION, situation. Difficult situation. Okay, this poem taught us a good friendship. Yes, we have to be a good friend to our friends. We have to share everything with our friends. And we should also honest and kind to our friends. Okay children, I'll see you in our next class. So tomorrow you have to read this poem. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.